Hey, what's up everybody? This is a video about how to increase the thickness of your emergence profile from an exocad file. So sometimes when exocad will make a file, it'll make the base really thin and you can't really adjust it a whole lot in exocad. So one workaround that I've come up with is the most important thing is you got to preserve the inside of this area because this is where the tie base is going to fit. If that mesh changes at all, your tie base will no longer fit. So what you're going to do is you're going to create a new face group on the outside of the area that you want to change, and then you're going to increase the offset to make it a little bit thicker. So let's see what that looks like. So we're going to use a select tool, and we're just going to select a wide area of what we want to work on to get a bit thicker. And this was actually a 3D printed temp that had cracked off the tie base in function. So we're going to want to make this a little wider just to make it really nice and a little bit thicker. That's the W button to just see the triangles, so we can just get in a little bit closer here. There we go. All right, so we got a nice clean border. This area doesn't really matter as much. It could be a little thicker or thinner. We can play that later. All right, so now we're going to go to Edit, Modify, Create Face Group. Okay, let's select our area. Go back to Edit, and we're going to go to Offset. I'm going to make this, let's say, about 0.35 millimeters thicker. So it makes it thicker all the way around. And we're going to make this a soft transition, about 2 millimeters. So what that does is it just gives us a nice thicker boundary right around here, and smooth it out all the way around. So at the thickest point I'm at 0.35, but at the thinner points I'm at, significantly thinner. But again, where my stress point's going to be a little bit higher up on the tie base, this is really where it's cemented right down, and this is my area of biggest concern. Then another issue with Meshmixer is it'll give you a very sharp line where the base is versus where the crown is going to be, so we're going to come through and smooth that out. So we're going to accept this first, clear our selection, and this is also really important. When we smooth out, that smooth button can easily increase and smooth out the inside. So what we're going to do here is we are going to go to Sculpt Tool, Brushes, Robust Smooth, but under Filters we're going to Restrict to Group. So what that does, now we can make it larger size, strength, and what that's going to do is only smooth out our face group, nothing else. So if you look at the inside here, that face group is going to be preserved. Everything else is going to be nice and smooth. There's our facial aspect. We've got kind of a dimple going on over here. Let's fix that up a drop. Good. And again, if you look on the inside, nothing has changed on the inside. Beautiful. We go back to Robust Smooth. Hope that helps. And we're off to 3D print it.